Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Lorenzo Leonardo. I will be your speaker for this 7 p.m. financial literacy class. So before I begin, I will show to you my little background. I'm a computer engineer by profession. I'm a software and a firmware engineer eh, at the field of my profession. And I'm a financial educator of International Marketing Group and associate financial planners of the Registered Financial Planners of the Philippines. And this at the same time, I have my life insurance license under the Manila Bankers Life Corporation. So in our organization, we already hit 7 million financially literate Filipinos. So the target of this organization is we want to educate 30 million financial educated families by the year 2030. So after this event, talk to your friend who invited you how to become part of this counter, because all of the people who are attended this class is already part of the counter. So after this event, have a one-on-one follow-up discussion with the one who invited you. So let us begin. No? So today we are in the challenging future. There are large number of Filipinos that will be facing increasing challenges in the four major areas in terms of money. So number one, an uncertain labor market. Right now, automation and powerful software already continue to replace more and more workers. How much more the chat GPT right now is already live. So eventually there will be some jobs that will uh, be replaced with AIs. And right now there are a lot of manufacturing jobs moving overseas to cut costs. So second, low savings and high debt. So it has a major impact on retirement, and many people have to work beyond 65 years to survive. And third, the high cost of education, as well the lack of college planning will hurt the younger generation. And fourth is increasing cost of living. So today, because of inflation, there are a lot of families right now are struggling. No, so there are a lot. The prices of commodities right now are already too high, but the increase of salary is too slow. So we need to control our future, because our future is not in the hands of our employer, our union, or our government. It's neither in the hands of a bank or nor your broker. So it means here, once you become part of IMG, you will be coached how to save money, accumulate money, and protect money. All of us, we know how to make money, but the saving of money, accumulating of money, and protecting money, we have lack knowledge on this area. So here, once you become part of this organization, you will be coached to become your own money manager. So you will be able to understand how money works and how to let it work for you. So here in IMG, you will be coached how to build a strong financial foundation. So from the highest priority to the lowest priority. So as you can see in this uh, diagram, we need to protect our life, because we are money machines. Something happens to us, no? If something happens to us, who will replace the income that you put in your family? So that's why the purpose of life insurance is to replace our income, no? So in terms of health and disability, and as of now, there are a lot of financial bankruptcies because one sickness will wipe out away all our savings. Then also these debts, because debts, has interest on top of the principal. So we need to deal with it. So the only way to deal with it is to have another source of income. And here you will be coached how to build an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of your monthly income. You have an emergency fund, you will store it in a bank that is easily accessed in terms of emergency before you build up your savings and investments. So today we are in the world of possibilities. No, we are in the era of informed consumer. So from do-it-yourself home improvement to self-booking travel, shopping on eBay, Amazon, or even a member of Costco and SNR. More people are learning how to get better deals and saving more money. So here in IMG, we are a new concept in the financial industry, no, that assists people who wants to help themselves build their financial foundation. So once you join this organization, you have the access on financial education. You will be get educated in all aspect of personal finance. So the entire concept of personal finance, you have the access to hundreds of financial products services. And of course, it has discounts since we are members. And some of these companies will also give us additional incentives. And we also receive training and support to manage your money, no? So that's the benefit if you join this organization. Save money on various product services. And this earning commissions by sharing their know-how with customers in this fast-growing industry. Because if you are already educated and if you want to share, there are also partner companies who are willing to give us incentives if you share this advocacy. But some of those partner companies will also give us discounts or exclusive perks of being a member. So tonight we will discuss how money works. So this is an X-curve concept. So in the financial planning tool, this is a tool. So this is our blueprint. So if you want to build your financial blueprint, you need to have a plan. So X-curve is our blueprint. So as you can see in this diagram, it started at younger age and we end up in the older age. But once we are younger age, we don't have any savings. So as you can see here, the law of building wealth. At the start, we don't have wealth. But of course, we have a lot of responsibilities because we already have families to take care. So especially you got married, you have kids, your responsibility shoot up. You have the bills to pay, you have rent, everything. You have high responsibilities, but you don't have any savings. Basically, at this part, if we don't have savings, we are generally less secure. And worst case, something happens to us, we are the breadwinner, we are the money machine, something happens to us. How can our family survive without our income? That's why at this part, if we don't have savings, we need life insurance. The purpose of life insurance is to protect our income because it will replace the loss of income if something happens to us. So that's the first part of the equation, but not insurance alone, because if we get older, we also need to have this wealth or this money line, because once we have a lot of cash, we have a lot of investments, one day when we retire, we already have a lot of cash. You can already let money work for you. If you become an investor, you know how to let money work for you. The interest alone of that wealth will provide your needs. And eventually, if you die, that wealth will be passed on to your kids. And your kids will not suffer financially. So basically, in this equation, you need to have insurance at this part. But if you are older, you need a lot of investment. So you need to have a balance in your financial plan. But sad to say, Filipinos right now, they thought their retirement is they just rely it in their insurance agent. They don't know that it's only an insurance product because they're only sold, no? They don't know even after paying that insurance, that investment will still pay the premium until you die. But a lot of people are not educated on what they buy. So that's the important part. If you become a member of this organization, you will be able to learn how money works and you learn about compounding interest. So as you can see here, there's a table here. This is not a product, but this is just a proof of concept. It will show to you that given the interest rate per year, if there's an interest that is fixed per year, you have the constant of 72. You just divide the constant 72 divided by the interest per year. So this rule of 72, this was discovered by Luca Pacioli in the 15th century. He is an Italian mathematician. He is the father of modern day accounting. And also Einstein said that compounding interest is the eighth wonder of the world's mankind's greatest invention because it is the mightiest force ever unleashed of amassing wealth. Now, this compound interest can work both ways. It could be your greatest ally and it could be your greatest enemy. It will be your greatest enemy if this is your debts. You have some loans, you have some long-term debts. It's your greatest enemy because you are not just paying the principal, you are also paying the interest. But the compound interest can be also your ally. If you have a lot of savings, you have a lot of investments, the compound interest is your ally. But if you have a lot of debts, the compound interest is your greatest enemy. So this formula is a double-edged knife. Why a lot of people, Filipinos, are in debt or suffered financially because of debt? Because they are paying the interest on top of the principal. They are now struggling. They loan money. Right now, they are struggling. How much more in the future they will struggle much because wala ka nang ikabayad ng ngayon sa needs mo, babayad ka pa ng principal plus the interest. So that's the problem. So how to escape from debts? We need to have another cash flow. So that's what this organization all about. It's about wake up call. So in this formula, 72, let's say there is an interest that 4% a year. If you are age 29, example, you have 100,000, you simply divide the constant 72 divided by 4, that is 18. So it means money will double every 18 years. So if you are age 29 right now, you have 100,000. If you put it at 4%, you can already predict that after 18 years, if I don't touch that money, it becomes 200,000. But because of this, the doubling of money, you are not the one who is putting some hard work, but it is already the money that worked for you. So since it's compounding interest, at this point at 47, this is your present principal. So another 18 years, it becomes 400. So that's how compounding works. What if 8%? So if you have 100,000 at 8%, it doubles every 9 years. So if you are age 29 right now, when you reach 38, it becomes 200,000. You reach 47, it becomes 400. You reach 56, it becomes 800. You reach 65, it becomes 1.6. What if 12%? So 72 divided by 12 every 6 years. So as you can see here, money doubles every 6 years. But the challenge right now, saan ang tao nag-loan? No, nag-loan sa credit card, 'di ba? Credit card 2% a month, that's 24% a year. So if you use rule of 72, 72 divided by 24, your utang will doubles every 3 years. That's why if you have credit card, you are paying at minimum. Eventually, you will get shocked because ito lang yung inutang mo pero you're already paying double, no? Especially long term yung terms. Delikado yung long term na terms kasi but most people dito lang ako sa long term na terms kasi hindi mabigat. But if you total it, you will see that you're already wasting money. So that's the effect of debts, no? It sounds like death. So meron tayong utang, anong solution? Extra income, no? Do you know about savings and investments? So here in IMG, you will be coached how mutual fund works. And there is a detailed discussion about mutual funds. If you're a member, you have the access to our financial workshops. That's every weekend. No? At the comfort of your home, we have online classes. At least before you go into investments, you need to know the risk because every investments there are risks, no? So you need to know what are the proper investments out there because sad to say right now, people are losing money in those get rich quick deals. No, there's a lot of pyramiding schemes, any investments that double their money after 3 months. All of those are BS, no? So it does not work that one like that. Even Henry C. Gokong Wei, all of the tycoons did not grow their wealth every 3 months. They build their business for many years. So there is no investments, real investments that gives you double your money after 3 months. That's impossible. But still, a lot of Filipinos go into those get rich quick deal. At the end of the day, they lose money. Only few people got the money, but the majority lose money. No? So that's why you need to become part of this organization so that you and your family will not be get into those investment scams. So do you know about life insurance? So there's a difference between term life, whole life, universal life, variable life, index life. Here in IMG, you will realize that there's a lot of insurance products out there, but you yourself don't know what type are you getting. That's why there are a lot of people getting how many years they're paying. Their agent told them, you just only pay 10 years. But after 10 years, they get shocked because their account, the company suddenly called them that you need to pay more. But their agent told them, you only pay for 10 years. Why is that? Because life insurance, most of that life insurance sold right now are whole life. No? They just bundled it with investments, but actually the the design of that program, you will be paying until age 99. It is a modified whole life. There's a lot of modified whole life products right now, but they will sell it as an investment. That's why a lot of people lose money. No, I have got a lot of friends get life insurance because I'm in 15 years in in this industry. There are a lot losing money because they got the wrong type of insurance. no, because they just listen to their agent, no, binintahan lang, hindi sila ini-educate. But dito, once you become a member of IMG, you will be able to know what you are getting. There's a lot of discussions here about insurance, no? So that's the advantage if you're a member with IMG. Do you know about long-term care? So here in IMG, you will be also coached about long-term care because most of the healthcare right now that is offered are short-term, no? If you are employed, that's a group HMO policy. But if you resign from the company, you cannot bring that benefit with you. So most of the healthcare provider right now are all short term. But here in IMG, I realized that there's a one company that offers a long-term care. So it works like a savings. Let's say if you don't, let's say hindi ka nagkasakit, 'di ba? If you have a short-term healthcare right now, if you don't get sick, walang nang manibak, 'di ba? Kagaya ng insurance sa sasakyan na every year ka nag-renew, kung hindi nabangga yung sasakyan mo, wala na yun, walang manibak. But itong long-term care, kung hindi ka magkasakit, meron kang manibak. So ang long-term care will complement your employer's healthcare. So meron kang employer ngayon, maganda yan kasi maganda yung mga benefits. But you should also secure your own long-term care so that once you retire later, wala ka ng HMO sa company mo, meron ka ng sariling long-term care that will provide you in your lifetime. So as your friend who invited you how this long-term care works, no? So you can also ask them about this. Do you know about high cost of education? No, so most parents don't prepare their college educational funds. So there is a study that the tuition fee doubles every 7 years. And that's true because when I enrolled with my college engineering career in that was the early 2003. The computer engineering course at that time is around full load. That's 20,000 per semester. But right now, I think hindi na 20,000 per sem. I think that's almost 100 na siguro. But you can check, no? So what school you want. But if you have kids right now, let's say if you have a newborn child or still a 1-year-old kid, you should also already start savings. At least you still have 18 years, no? So you still have 18 or 17 years to grow that money. So you will not touch that money. It becomes their college educational funds. So that once they get into college, hindi ka na mag-cramming kasi meron ka ng savings, no? Hindi ka na mag-abroad kasi meron ng savings, hindi ka na mag-abroad. So you already have more time with your daughters and sons, and especially if they go to college, marami ng mga influence, no? So mas maganda kapag malaki na sila, mas marami ka ng time sa kanila, no? So that hindi sila malulong doon sa mga bad influence. So kaya nga maraming mga nasisira yung future ng mga bata kasi yung mga parents sila is malayo kasi walang choice, nagtatrabaho. So right now, if you have a kid na maliit pa, you should start savings para pag mag-college na sila, you will not be into financial distress because you still have 17 years to grow that money. Kasi mahal na talaga yung educational cost ngayon, no? And dito rin sa IMG, you will be coach how to protect your future, especially your assets. Because a lot of Filipinos, maraming assets ang kanilang lolo't lola. But how come hindi na pass it on? Because wala silang proper financial planning in terms of transfer of assets. Kasi Kapag marami kang assets tapos hindi namatay ka, kawawa yung maiwan kasi babayad pa sila ng estate tax, meron pang inheritance tax. So grabe no, maraming tax. So that's why this most of these wealthy people why they have transferred the wealth the right way to their heirs, and they really transferred it because they created a corporation. No, that's the only way uh to protect, no? So kaya nga silang Henry C, all of their assets inilagay nila sa kanilang own corporation. But akala kasi natin yung gagawa ka ng corporation dapat you should be super wealthy. In fact, hindi. Kahit na ordinaryong tao, pwede ka gagawa. But dito ko lang sa IMG nalaman na hindi pala costly na gagawa ng sariling estate corporation mo. Para once you die, your corporation lives on. Kahit wala ka na sa mundo, at least ma-secure yung inheritance, no? May easy transfer sa mga kids. No? So, dito ko lang yan sa IMG din nalaman, no? So, yun ang mga benefits makuha mo once you join. So, once we become a member of IMG, we have this access to major providers. So, we have a lot of partner companies. We have Kaiser, Manila Bankers Life. For investment, we have Soldibo, we have Atram, we have Philiquity, we have BPI Investment Management. We have FAMI. This is the investment arm of Metro Bank and Sun Life. And for real estate, we have SMDC, Ayala Land. For general insurance, we have Standard, Mapfre, Malayan, Pioneer. So as you can see, all of these companies that our partner, they are already have the name. So if you have friend, mag-alok sa'yo ng investment, you ask them anong company, di ba? Most of those scams, hindi natin kilala yung mga company na yun. Dito sa IMG, alam-alam na natin yung mga company na yan. So we have BPI, we have this we have SM, we have Ayala Land. So you could never go wrong, no? If you join IMG and you invest in these companies because these are already well-known companies. So what are the benefits once you join? So I will show to you some of the benefits. Makita ba? Okay. So once you join IMG, these are all your benefits. Our first benefits is we have the access to this financial ebook, no? So after this event, talk to your friend, know how to get one copy of this. Second, you have an exclusive financial education. So we have this financial educational classes that is every weekends. So there's a topic about how to increase cash flow kung marami kang utang ngayon. So we have debt management sessions. We have building a strong financial foundation and proper protection sessions, and how to build wealth and how to ano, accumulate assets, and wealth preservation, no? So sa included sa wealth preservation yung how to create your own corporation, and if you are planning for retirement, So there's also a retirement planning. So the best time to plan for retirement is when we get our first paycheck, no? Sino yung bago lang nakakuha ng salary, the best time to plan for retirement is not during the time na malapit ka na aalis sa company. But the best time to plan a retirement is while you are receiving your first paycheck. Mali-mali talaga yung mga ginawa ng HR kasi mag-retirement planning lang sa kanilang employee kung malapit na sila mawala sa company because they are already old. But the retirement planning pala dapat at first pa lang pag pag yung employee is papasok pala sa company dapat meron na silang retirement planning. So hindi doon na wala nang time kasi it needs time, no? Building a business. So, you can ask your friend, no, na friend, wala akong income ngayon, marami akong utang. Gusto ako kumita. No, you can ask your friend who invited you, no, ano yung mga financial businesses ngayon na pwede natin pasukin. Yung mga legit. And exclusive benefit number 8, free ebook insurance. So if you're a member of IMG, we have a licensing examination review. So option mo lang ito if you want to really have this a part-time career or you want to earn extra income, you need to get your license from the insurance commission. But don't worry if you don't have a background in personal finance because of our workshops, our financial education classes, you will just learn uh, those things, no? At least after sa work mo, meron kang parang side hustle lang na at least meron kang alam, no, how this thing works. No, hindi ka lang so once you join IMG, hindi ka lang client but you do it yourself. So mas maganda kasi ikaw yung alam sa situation mo ngayon, no? So we have free financial checkups. So another benefit is if you really want to do this a career, so if you want to get a certification program, so we are partnership with our registered financial planners. There are they are the organization that will certify for associate financial planners. So maganda itong meron ka ring certificate. So if you're an IT, no, 'di ba? Lahat ng mga IT meron tayong Cisco certification, no, Microsoft certification. Kagaya din sa financial industry, meron din certification. So maganda kung makakuha ka rin nito. So this is also exclusive for IMG members, no. So option mo lang din ito if you want, no. So ito, no, so we have a free personal accident insurance. So if you become an associate in IMG, you have 100,000 personal accident insurance, no. So kung maaksidente, namatay, dapat patay para merong coverage, no. So personal accident insurance, no, hindi ito hospitalization. Kung na-aksidente tapos namatay, yan, merong coverage. So, meron ding exclusive benefit number 12. So, if you're an IMG member, you also have an option if you want to have this coverage, this 50,000 coverage on top of your IMG membership. There is this is a one-time membership fee of 500 for Fidelity Life. So, this is optional if you want to have another 50,000 life insurance coverage, no? So at least you are an active member of IMG because we have accreditation, no? So if you're an old IMG member, i-active lang yung accreditation mo kasi we have a yearly accreditation fee, no, para we considered ourselves as active member. Kasi kapag hindi ka active member, hindi ka ma-covered nito. So dapat ka active member. So ask the friend, no, paano become accredited again. So, free IMG Kaiser frames. So, we have partnership with Illustrious Optical. So, we have a free pairs, 2 pairs per year. So, lens lang yung babayaran natin with Illustrious Optical. So Kaiser Medical Centers, no, so free unlimited consultation for members, no. So sa medical centers lang nila. And discounted medical services for immediate family members sa Kaiser Medical Center, no. And another benefit is once you become a member, automatically you have a part of the mutual fund under the Soldibo funds, no, IMG Soldibo Strategic Growth Fund. So automatic, there's a 1,000 worth from your membership reserved as your initial capital in your mutual fund investment, no, under the Soldibo funds, managed by Rumber Financials. Since IMG, we don't sell mutual funds, so all of these mutual funds are sold by Rumber Financial. So sumakay lang tayo with IMG sa Soldibo, no? Hindi si IMG nagbenta ng mutual fund. So exclusive benefit, uh, healthcare products and services. So this is the partner company Kaiser that offers a long-term care, no? So they also have senior care and short-term care. But you can ask your friend how the long-term care works because most of us, we don't have long-term care. So we also have exclusive access to Manila Bankers Corporation. It is a life insurance company. They have this most 18 multiple option super term. So it is an 18-year level term insurance. So you can also ask the friend who invited you. But kung hindi license yung friend mo, hindi siya life license, you can ask a friend's colleague sa IMG na life license kasi sila lang authorized to solicit. License lang yung pwede mag-solicit for life insurance products. But if you're an IMG member, hindi ka pa license, pa-license ka na sa Insurance Commission. So, meron ding group, no? Multiple super term JRP. This is for OFWs. No, you can also ask your friend, ano ito. So, we also have free investment seminars at these mutual fund companies, our partners. We have Soldibo, PhilAm, Metrobank, Atram, Philiquity, and Sun Life. So, most of them, if we invest with them through Rumfor Financials, kasi si Rumfor Financials yung nag-solicit for investment, wala tayong entry fee. My trade, so if you don't want a mutual fund but you want to really personally trade in the stock market, we have a partnership with My Trade. The stockbroker is Abacus Securities. So Abacus Securities is one of the oldest stockbroker in the Philippines. This is older than Citysec Online, no? So hindi niyo kilala si Abacus Security, matagal na ito. So we have partnership with Palawan Express. So we have, if we want to pay membership fee or any premiums related with IMG partners, we have special rates with Palawan Express, no? So there is also another benefit especially for calamity, emergency financial assistance program up to 50,000, no, for sa natamaan ng typhoon, landslide, earthquake, or fire. But there is a subject to minimum requirements, no, terms and conditions apply. So you can ask your friend who invited you what are these terms and conditions apply, no? Kasi hindi ito automatic. So meron pang mga minimum requirements needed. So discounts, exclusive benefit, we have save your money on non-life. So we have this partner, we have this Bolt Assurance. This is our coordinator. So if you want to have quotation for car insurance, fire insurance, or business insurance, you go directly with Bolt Assurance, no? This is our coordinator. Yung friend mo nag-invite sa NG, hindi yan agent, ha. Hindi yan agent for non-life. But that's why you need to become a member of IMG so that you have a direct access with our coordinator. That's the ano, that's the structure, no? Because we are not a traditional sales company, no? So that's the structure. Dapat ka mag-member para meron kang access directly sa coordinator. para siya na yung maghanap ng mga insurance partner natin na that will fit your need. So discount, exclusive benefit. So for member savings, so kung tayo mga members bibili ng mga properties sa kanila, we have uh, exclusive benefits with them. So we have exclusive benefit on special courses, no? So marami tayong mga online classes and all. And APS, no? So ito yung sinabi ko kanina, create your corporation, no, asset preservation service. So protect your assets through your own corporation through IMG exclusive membership price. So they have group of lawyers that will help you create your own corporation, no? Tuturuan ka paano. Legal assistance program. So meron din tayong ganito, no? So if you have some legal issues, no, so we have free legal consultation kasi we have partner with lawyers. No, any legal issue, let's say meron kang issue sa properties, so meron tayong legal assistance, no, so, but merong free consultation for 45 minutes per session for 2 sessions per year. And other legal service, so there's a exclusive members rate, no, baka maka-discount ka for an attorney, no. We have memorial services sa Everest. It's a 24/7 memorial concierge service. Kapag may namatay, ito lang yung direct na tawagin natin para mayroong mag-assist, no? So, memorial assistance ng ito. Auto program, if you want to have car discounts, you can become a member and you email members assistance at img-corp.net. And marami ding isang benefit nito, no? If you want to be in the business inside the financial industry, you can own a business, no? You can also ask your friend who invited you how to become one, at least how to earn money in the financial industry. And meron ding mga rewards for those members who really wants to do the business. Ito, mga recognitions. So, merong mga free HMO. And meron tayong portal, emails, and Eurocash, no? So, for IMG members na gustong mag-business, so what if meron tayong commission sa mga partner companies natin, dito nila ilagay direct sa Eurocash. Ano, you can easily transfer to another Eurocash account or pwede pwede mo yan magpa-enroll ka lang sa sa bank mo, no? So need yun para pwede ma-transfer doon. Dominate tool. So for if you want to really have a business in the online business, so there's a lot of trainers also, no? How to set up your online business. No, sila tuturuan ka Dominate Associate certification course, and si Alan Ngo, si Jomar Hilario. So, ito, meron ding mga members kasi sa IMG, meron tayong local members for PH coded and meron tayong members na for international coded, especially OFWs. So, iba yung membership fee for the international members because you have a different you have an additional benefits. So kami, mga local members, wala kaming ganitong benefits. Later, i-explain ko ano yung mga exclusive benefits for all international members. That's why if you're an OFW, I highly suggest that you become part of IMG under the international code. Huwag kang magpa-PH code kasi hindi mo ito magamit na benefits, no? So ano ang benefits under the international code? So ito, mas malaki yung accidental death benefit nyo if you're international member, no, under the international code, hindi ka PH coded. Sa amin, mga associates, di ba, 100,000 yung accidental. But sa inyo, kapag international coded kayo, 500,000 na yan. Meron din kayong burial benefit of 100,000. You have an accidental medical reimbursement benefit of 100,000. Accept terrorism, that's 600,000. Unprovoked murder and assault, 600,000, no? Meron pa kayo accidental disablement benefit. Loss of two limbs, 500,000. Loss of 2 feet, 500,000. Loss of hand, no? So merong succeeding ano. So kapag OFW ka tapos sa PH coded ka, hindi mo ito magamit. That's why di ka pa member ng IMG OFW ka, magpa-member ka under the international code. That's why the membership of the international code is a little bit higher than the PH coded members. No, so after this event, if you're an OFW, talk to your friend na I want to join under the international code para meron kang benefits na ganito. Kasi kapag PH coded ka lang, wala kang benefits na ito. So kami mga local members, wala kaming ganitong benefits. So binigyan ni IMG yung chance yung mga OFWs, no? No, para meron kayong additional benefits kasi yung government natin hindi tayo binigyan, 'di ba? Na additional benefits, but at least si IMG find ways not to help OFWs. So I think that's my session for tonight. I hope to see you in our next sessions. And if you have some questions, you can ask the friend who invited you. You can have a one-on-one uh, question and answer kasi each one of us have different questions, no? And each one of us have different financial situation. At least kapag mag one-on-one kayo, at least ano, ma-tailor fit ano yung mga solutions na pwede sa iyo. Kasi iba-iba yung problem natin in terms of money. So, okay. So, I think yan lang muna ang i-share ko ngayon. Hopefully, I've shared a tip of the iceberg how about this organization, how it will help us in our future. Okay. Thank you again, and hope to see you in our future uh, sessions. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe